Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So in our last video we moved some railroad ties around using the 129 with the front end loader. And what I noticed was it was kind of a pain in the butt to shift the railroad tie around with the bucket and then hook a strap up to it on the rear end and tow it to where I wanted. So I've seen a lot of guys put hooks on the front of their front end loaders, and now I understand why. So in today's project, I want to get a couple of these hooks. See if I can do this here with the lighting and such. Mounted on the front of my bucket. So we want to do that project. And the other issue I ran into when we were moving these around is I didn't like the gas pedal, the forward and reverse pedal that I had worked in on this. I didn't like the way it flexed because I just had 1/8 inch holding it onto the old rock shaft. So what I want to do is put the 1/8 inch piece on the bottom of the rock shaft and that 1/4 inch on the top. So I took this off and I want to make it fit around the rock shaft so I can get the 1/4 inch piece on the top welded to the rock shaft and the 1/8 inch piece on the bottom. That should make it a lot more durable so I won't feel the flex in it. Yeah, so let's get to work. Alright, so just kind of cutting down some of the bracket that came on those hooks, cleaning off the bucket, grinding that, get all the paint and debris off so when we do weld on the hooks we get a nice solid connection and a good weld. Kind of test fitting the hook there. Now we got to grind off the other side as well. We're going to have 2 hooks on this bucket, 1 on each side. There's a good shot of how I kind of made it a 90-degree angle with that hook on the back of it. So, and then since I had the grinder out, I figured I'd clean up that rock shaft when I fixed the gas pedal. Wasn't quite getting enough ventilation in there, so I opened up the big garage door just to get some more wind moving and that smoke from those hooks out of there so I wasn't breathing in that garbage. So we got the hooks all welded on. Now we're just working on the gas pedal here. We got the bottom with that 1/8 inch piece welded onto the rock shaft, and then we came over the top with a 1/4 inch piece, gave it a test run, and man, life is good. So we are ready to get some more railroad ties in the coming days. Thanks for tuning in.